In modern warfare, the battlefield is changing faster than ever. One of the biggest challenges today isn't traditional fighter jets or tanks, it's drones. Small, fast, and often difficult to detect, drones have become a serious threat in both surveillance and combat operations. But now, the United Kingdom is stepping up its defense strategy. By equipping its Typhoon fighter jets with new guided rockets, the UK is preparing to counter this growing danger in a smarter, more efficient way. On April 8, 2026, BAE Systems announced that a Royal Air Force Typhoon test and evaluation aircraft had successfully fired an APKWS guided weapon during a trial at a UK military range, opening a new path for the Eurofighter's adaptation to the low-cost drone threat. In its official statement, the company presented the firing as part of a broader Typhoon capability enhancement effort and said the recent ground target trial would pave the way for the next stage of tests against air targets. The development is important because it signals a shift in combat air thinking. Not every aerial threat can be countered sustainably with premium missiles, especially when adversaries increasingly rely on cheap uncrewed systems to impose financial and industrial strain on defenders. Imagine a swarm of drones approaching at high speed, too many for traditional missiles to handle efficiently, and too dangerous to ignore. How do you stop them without wasting millions of dollars on expensive weapons? The answer lies in innovation. Today, we're diving into how the UK is transforming its air defense capabilities with cutting-edge guided rocket systems designed specifically to tackle drone threats. Over the past decade, drones have evolved from simple reconnaissance tools into powerful weapons. From conflict zones to strategic airspace, they've proven capable of carrying explosives, conducting surveillance, and even overwhelming advanced defense systems through swarm tactics. These developments have forced military forces worldwide to rethink how they defend their skies. Traditional air-to-air missiles are highly effective, but they come with a high price tag and are often overkill for small, low-cost drones. Using $1 million missile to destroy a drone worth a few $1,000s is not sustainable in the long run. This imbalance has created an urgent need for more cost-effective solutions. That's where the UK's latest move comes into play. The Royal Air Force is integrating new guided rockets onto its Typhoon fighter jets. Unlike conventional missiles, these rockets are designed to be both precise and affordable. They offer a middle ground solution, more accurate than unguided weapons, but significantly cheaper than high-end missile systems. These guided rockets can lock onto targets with advanced tracking systems, allowing pilots to engage drones quickly and effectively. Their smaller size also means that jets can carry more of them, increasing their ability to handle multiple targets in a single mission. This is especially important when dealing with drone swarms, where numbers can overwhelm traditional defenses. So, how do these guided rockets actually work? At their core, they combine modern guidance systems, such as laser or GPS targeting, with compact rocket bodies. This allows them to maintain high accuracy while remaining lightweight and cost-efficient. In practical terms, a Typhoon pilot can identify a drone threat, lock onto it using onboard sensors, and launch a guided rocket that tracks and neutralizes the target with precision. The system is designed to minimize collateral damage while maximizing effectiveness, making it ideal for complex and crowded operational environments. Another key advantage is flexibility. These rockets can be adapted for different mission types, from air-to-air engagements to ground support roles. This versatility ensures that the Typhoon remains a multi-role platform capable of responding to a wide range of threats. This development isn't just about technology, it's about strategy. By adopting guided rockets, the UK is addressing one of the most pressing challenges in modern defense: scalability. In a world where threats can come in large numbers, having a cost-effective response is critical. The move also strengthens the UK's position within NATO and its ability to contribute to joint operations. As drone threats continue to rise globally, allies are looking for solutions that can be deployed quickly and efficiently. The UK's approach could serve as a model for other nations facing similar challenges. The implications of this upgrade go beyond military strategy. It reflects a broader shift in how nations approach defense spending and technological innovation. Instead of relying solely on expensive, high-end systems, there's a growing focus on smart, adaptable solutions that balance cost and performance. For pilots, this means more options in the air. For commanders, it means greater flexibility in planning missions. And for adversaries, it raises the bar, making it harder to exploit the advantages that drones once provided. Looking ahead, this is likely just the beginning. As drone technology continues to evolve, so too will the systems designed to counter it. We can expect further advancements in artificial intelligence, automated targeting, and integrated defense networks that work seamlessly across air, land, and sea. The UK's investment in guided rocket systems is a clear signal. The future of warfare will be defined not just by power, but by precision, adaptability, and efficiency. Typhoon already fields a broad weapons inventory including Meteor for long-range air-to-air engagements and Storm Shadow and Brimstone for deep strike and precision attack. By adding APKWS to the discussion, BAE is not replacing those weapons but introducing a more proportionate layer beneath them, one intended for targets that do not justify the expenditure of far more expensive interceptors. That matters in an era in which air forces must think not only about kill probability, but also about how long they can sustain defensive operations under repeated drone and missile pressure. So, what do you think? Are guided rockets the ultimate answer to drone threats, or just one step in an ongoing technological race? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more insights into the future of defense technology.